Hi, good morning everyone. I am Tidke Vishwambar from Vaikunta Vashidunda Maharaj College, Deglur, Mahavidyalaya, Deglur. Today, we are going to take the first chapter called Name Reactions of Aldehydes and Ketones Mechanism. In this year, in the third semester, we are going to take the paper number 6, Organic and Inorganic Chemistry. In this year, you are going to learn about the organic part. In that, first chapter is name reactions with mechanism. These name reactions are name given after the scientist. It consists of three types of reactions. One is condensation reaction, second is reduction reaction, and third is oxidation reaction. The condensation reactions consist of six reactions. These are aldol condensation, benzoin, Naviengel, Mannich, Perkin, Reformsky. In the reduction reaction, we are taking three reactions. These are Clemmensen reduction, MPB reduction, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. And the oxidation part, oxidation reactions are Baeyer-Williger oxidation reaction and second one is Oppenauer oxidation reactions. Friends, what are the name reactions? The name reactions are chemical reactions named after its discoverer or developer who have invented that reaction are named after that reaction. For example, I have taken the Perkin reaction, which we are going to learn in the coming lectures. Perkin is a scientist who invented the reaction is known as Perkin reaction. And next point, what are the condensation reactions? The condensation reactions in which two molecule combines in the presence of catalyst to eliminate simple molecules or water molecules. These, if both combining molecules are identical molecules, it is known as self-condensation reaction. The catalysts used are acids, bases, cyanide ion, and other complex metal ions. Coming to the first Coming to the firstly, the alpha hydrogen and beta hydrogens of carbonyl compounds. In organic molecules, the functional group which have chain, in particularly in carbonyl compounds, if carbon carbonyl carbon is attached to next to the carbonyl carbon is known as alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to that carbon is known as alpha hydrogens. Here you can see the alpha and beta. Carbonyl group, after carbonyl group, here is another group. These are known as alpha carbons. These are known as beta carbons, and whatever the hydroxy group attached to that carbon is known as alpha hydroxy, alpha hydrogen, or beta hydroxy, beta hydrogen. For example, see here. Here carbonyl group. Next carbon is alpha carbon, and that hydrogen also known as alpha hydrogen. Particularly, alpha hydrogens are more acid in nature. They are active compounds. They give protons frequently, and hence these are the acidic in nature. Coming to the coming to the first reaction, that is known as benzoin condensation reaction. You can see on the screen the benzoin condensation reaction. The definition of benzoin condensation is the benzaldehyde which does not have alpha hydrogen atoms is not capable of giving this reaction. Such aromatic aldehydes condensed in the presence of cation, potassium cyanide to yield benzoin. For example, what is the difference between aldol condensation? Next reaction we are going to learn about the aldol condensation. Here, first of all, we are going to take the benzoin condensation reaction. Alpha hydrogens, whatever the group attached to the, for example, here we can see that any benzaldehyde molecule, any benzaldehyde molecule, here we can see one minute please. We can take two examples here. This is a carbonyl carbon, and next carbon is known as alpha carbon, and hydrogens are alpha hydrogens. Aldol condensation reaction proceeds in those molecules which have at least one alpha hydrogen in that molecule. Condensation reactions involves two molecules. Among the two molecules, one must have the alpha hydrogens, whereas in the benzoin condensation, there is no need of alpha hydrogen. You can see this carbon doesn't have any hydrogen, means absence of alpha hydrogens that take parts in benzoin condensation reaction. The benzoin condensation reaction, when two molecules of benzaldehyde condensed with each other, that is self-condensation, in the presence of potassium cyanide. In the presence of potassium cyanide, here is one benzaldehyde molecule, here is another. These are two benzaldehyde molecules. Condensed self-condensation to produce alpha hydroxy. What is known as? This is carbonyl group. This carbon is known as alpha carbon. To produce what they produce? Alpha hydroxy. Alpha hydroxy ketone, or otherwise general name is benzoin alpha hydroxy ketone. You can see here, this is a ketone group, and this is alpha carbon, and this is OH. Hence, this reaction is known as alpha hydroxy ketone formation or benzoin formation. For example, Here, benzoin, benzoin molecule, what they are forming? Two molecules of benzaldehyde condensed with each other, that is known as similar molecule, when come together are known as self-condensation, and leaving only simple molecules. What are the simple molecule here? H2O, H2O to form benzoin. Next, coming to the mechanism, first step is formation of carbanion. What it form? Carbanion molecule. Carbanion is a nucleophile. One more thing you have to understand here, that the carbanion attacks the electrophilic center. And in this, what is the electrophilic center? Whenever the carbonyl group is present, that may be a aldehyde or ketone, this oxygen having more electronegativity have negative, somewhat negative charge, and this electron density between the carbon and oxygen shifted towards oxygen due to more electronegativity of oxygen, and this carbon having slight positive charge, and we can say that this is a electrophilic center. Any nucleophile means any nucleophile, suppose here cyanide is a nucleophile. Where it attack? It attack on this carbonyl carbon to form carbanion. Carbanion means carbon carrying negative charge. Suppose you can see here, this is a cyanide molecule. Where from cyanide has came? From potassium cyanide K plus and cyanide minus. This potassium cyanide attacks where? The electrophilic carbon of carbonyl carbon and forms this addition compound. Here comes cyanide, CnH, and here the electron density shifted towards oxygen, oxygen having negative charge. Now, addition of water to form this OH group, and this OH group which abstract proton from this cyanide, leaving the bond electrons and forming of carbanion. Carbon carrying negative charge is known as carbanion. This carbanion attacks on second molecule of benzaldehyde. You have to remember here that two benzaldehyde molecules, one form carbanion and another, this carbanion attacks on second molecule of benzaldehyde. Now, this molecule attacks where? The second molecule's carbonyl carbon. This nucleophile attacks the second molecule of carbonyl carbon and giving this addition product. Now, here you have to remember the negative charge, that is proton accept by this O minus from the adjacent oxygen. These are the addition OH group which gives H plus ion, and shifting of electron density and leaving of cyanide ion to form alpha hydroxy. To form alpha hydroxy ketone is known as benzene. You have to remember here that cyanide is a good leaving group, good nucleophile, which initiate the reaction, act as a catalyst. Here, KCN act as a catalyst. To summarize that, the benzene condensation reactions involves self-condensation of two, two self-condensation of two benzaldehyde molecule in the presence of potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide to form alpha hydroxy ketone or otherwise known as benzene. In this reaction, cyanide attacks on more electronegative electrophilic center of carbonyl carbon of benzene to form carbanion. You can see on the screen, that is diumplung, that is carbanion. This carbanion attack on second molecules of carbonyl carbon and forms this benzene. Coming to the next reaction. Coming to the next reaction, that is, you can see here that this is cyanide ion, nucleophile, attack on carbonyl carbon and shifting of hydrogen. This reaction here, same mechanism are there in the PPT. Now we are going to take another reaction, that is aldol condensation reaction. I have already mentioned that the aldol condensation must need hydroxy alpha hydrogens in their molecule. Here you can see that two molecules of aldehyde or ketones having alpha hydrogen atom reacts in the presence of dilute alkali. Dilute alkali to form beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. What is known as dilute alkali? Alkali base. Now you can see acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde molecule have two, here three alpha hydrogens. How many alpha hydrogens? Three alpha hydrogens. Another acetaldehyde molecule also have three alpha hydrogens, but any molecule which have to undergo aldol condensation must require at least one alpha hydrogen in their molecule. What is the mechanism? Are here two molecules are self-condensed in the presence of alkali OH minus to form beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This is alpha hydrogen and this is beta. It is known as aldol condensation. Here acetone also have alpha hydrogens. These are alpha hydrogens. When two similar molecules of any compound are here two acetone molecules, here two acetaldehyde molecules come and self-condensed forms the product, is this type of reactions is known as simple aldol condensation reactions. Whereas We can see that this is a mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. The first point, the formation of carbanion. What is the role of carbanion? Sorry, the role of alkali or base is to abstract acidic proton. What are the acidic protons? The alpha hydrogens are acidic in nature to form carbanion. This alpha hydrogen taken by this base and leaving this this bond on the carbon to form negative charge on the carbon is known as carbanion. This get resonance. How you can see that this charge shifted between this carbon and this carbon, and here you can see this carbon have already four bonds, and this incoming bond will disturb the valency, hence the shifting of electron density over the oxygen and formation of this resonating structure. Now this carbanion is known as nucleophile, attack on second molecule of acetaldehyde molecule. Second molecule of acetaldehyde, in which this come and attack on this carbonyl carbon and gives to this addition product. This give addition product. On the hydrolysis, it produce beta beta hydroxy aldehyde. Beta hydroxy aldehyde. Here you have to remember that hydrogen atoms attached to alpha carbon atoms. Hence, this reactions not observed in the compound like those molecule which doesn't have alpha hydrogens. This reaction is also catalyzed by acid, base as well as acid. Now you can see here the cross condensation reaction. What it means cross condensation reaction? Cross condensation reaction, we have earlier seen that the two acetaldehyde molecule combines to form beta hydroxyaldehyde. Here the starting two molecules are different. Here you can see formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Now formaldehyde doesn't have alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is absent in the formaldehyde. Hence, you can create carbanion from acetaldehyde molecule, and this acetaldehyde molecule attack on the formaldehyde molecule to form addition product. This is for the today. Okay, thank you friends.